Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can undo edits and changes in your PDF documents you edit in online on various PDF document editors. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to the PDF document editor you use, open the PDF document, and it works actually almost the same way as on most other applications and apps. So there are two options. You will find, for example, the undo button in the top left corner to undo a change, or the redo button to the right. So for example, move that image here, you will see, for instance, the undo button, which is going to reverse that last edit. But you can also undo the undoing by clicking into redo. And of course, there's also a shortcut on a Windows OS, for example, which is Control-Z, of course, or Command-Z if you're using a Mac, and that is going to undo the change or edit as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.